Ready to explore an exciting way to enjoy TV? Buying an IPTV account opens the door to unlimited entertainment. Start by looking for reputable providers like 2TV Store, known for being the best IPTV provider. Make sure to check for customer reviews and support options before making a purchase.
I am waiting.
Choose a plan that suits your needs, focusing on channel availability and price. Always compare prices across platforms to get the best deal. Once you've selected a provider, create an account and make your payment securely. Be cautious of any red flags like unusually low prices or lack of contact options. Finally, after setup, enjoy your new channels. Remember, quality counts for a seamless experience. Check out 2TV Store for unbeatable options today.